Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So dolls, today I'm excited because I'm actually doing a review from a company I've never worked with before. It's called Myquality Wigs, and from the way that they describe this unit, I'm really excited to try it out. So this is their curly unit. I have not looked at it yet. I'm going to look at it now. This curly unit is a lot different than any of the other units I reviewed, and the difference is that they've used different textured hair within one unit for a more realistic look. So most of you know, like for most people, everyone's hair is not the same texture throughout the head. I know for me, like the back of my hair might be a little bit curly in certain parts than the front of my hair, and it might be a little bit more coarse on the edges and so forth. So for this unit, they mix the 3C, 4A, and 4B texture in one unit. And they also describe this unit as being pre-brushed and pre-defined. I'm not really sure what exactly that means, but let's take a look at it. So this is the unit straight out of the box. So as you can see, they do have some tight coils in it from the back. I guess the 3C is more along the front of the hairline. And as you can see, this unit comes with bleach knots and it is pre-plucked. Another good thing about this unit is that it comes with their new clear lace, and I can't compare it to their old lace because, like I mentioned, this is the first time I'm doing a review with them. However, they said that this lace is, even though it's clear, it's a lot stronger than the typical HD lace. So you can have the flexibility of like a Swiss lace that's a lot more thicker with a thinner clear lace. So from looking at it like this, it looks pretty clear to me because I can almost see myself through it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try it on and let's see what it looks like. Oh wait, but before I do that, I always like to show you guys the cap construction because that's very important to me. It is like a typical cap construction. As you can see, there is a pretty good amount of lace, which means you're gonna have a good amount of parting space. There's the two combs on the side and the one in the back, and it also has a removable adjustable elastic band. So this is what the unit looks like on. I'm already loving how the hairline looks. It is plucked very well. And I have the elastic bands adjusted in the back and it is fitting my head perfectly. Like this unit is not going anywhere. So I do want to show you the parting space real quickly. As you can see, it does have a good amount of lace, as I mentioned. So you are going to be able to part this unit very far back. Okay, so this is about as far back as you're going to be able to get for your sides. After here, the parting on the sides is going to be limited to only about, I don't know, that's probably about 2 inches of parting from this part on down. And that's going to be the same on the other side. So because this is a curly unit, I always wash my curly units before I review it. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a co-wash and then I'll be right back. I'm going to add some of this Lotta Body Activate Me Curl Activator and the Got To Be Glue Kinkier Curling Mousse. Okay, I'm gonna leave this hair to air dry on my mannequin head and I'll be right back. Okay, dolls, so I'm back. Now, I know I said I was coming right back, but y'all know me better than that. Y'all know when I say right back, I mean in YouTube world. I don't mean in real life, right? So it's kind of like a day or two later. Okay. In any event, safe to say the wig is dry. So this is what it's looking like right now. Curls on fleek. Love it. Love it. Okay, so let me go ahead and try this on and see what it's looking like. Okay, I am here for this. I'm here for this lace that is looking real clear. And I'm here for the curls. Okay, curls for the girls. Anyway, guys, let me go ahead and install this really quickly so you guys can see what the final look looks like. Y'all, this hairline. Oh my God, I love it. Woo! This looks so good. I almost don't even want to do any baby hairs. So I'm going to do just a little. What do y'all think? You like or no? Oh wait, let me turn around, let y'all see what it looked like from the back. It has been sitting for 2 days, so I probably should spray some water on it just to brush up the curls. But this is what it looks like from the back. This is what she is giving from the front. Hey, y'all can tell when I like a wig because I be smiling. if I'm super serious throughout the whole video, then that's a little cold for me and you. I'm not really feeling it too much. Real quick, guys, I forgot to add some concealer to the parting area. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the concealer added to the parting area and the hair slightly damped. But I'm not about to do the outro over for the concealer, okay? And the crazy part about it is I don't even have the specs on this unit as far as the length and the density because they didn't send me the information for the description box yet. But as always, you guys know all the information is going to be linked in the description box down below. However, you guys can see the texture. I'm going to give y'all a close-up. Y'all know I like to give y'all a close-up. And I like this lace. They said this is their new upgraded lace. Again, I already told you guys this is my first collaboration with them, so I don't really know what to compare it with. But it is a clear lace, so they probably had the clear lace before, but they said it's a stronger lace. So you guys know some of the downsides of some HD lace is that it's thin to get it so clear, in which with the thinness comes that it's a lot more fragile. So with this lace, they're saying that it's a clear lace, but it's a strong lace. So it's as durable as the normal Swiss lace, but you're having that benefit of it also being invisible. And it looks really good. This is a really nice unit. I am liking this. And here's my outfit of the day. This cute little zebra dress from my website, shopfabulix.com. And this dress is super affordable. Dolls, be sure and check it out where you find all the latest trends as well as units that's reviewed on my channel at a discounted price. So guys, of course, your girl gonna always look out for y'all. I have a coupon code. I'm gonna put that across the screen. It's also gonna be in the description box down below, as well as the link to purchase this unit if you are interested. But of course, my girls, my dolls, my faithfuls, y'all already know I need y'all help in naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the faithful fam, I humbly ask you, smash that subscribe button and join the family. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.